All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. Welcome to the channel. If you're seeing us today and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We sure appreciate it. We appreciate the support. It allows us to keep putting videos like this out. And a little bit about the channel. We're all about finding ways to make money online, whether it's going to be just something on the side for you to do, or if you're going to turn it into a full-time income so you can ditch your 9 to 5. So that's what we do. Everything on this channel is about making money online and ways that we make money, and we can pass them on to you. Now, today, we're going to continue with our daily series, turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month using Clickbank. Clickbank is free to use. The promotions in there, the offers in there don't cost anything to use. And all you got to do is get traffic to your link. For the traffic source we are using My Lead Gen Secret. I also have some other videos down here on My Lead Gen Secret itself, just going through it and explaining how to use it. And of course, every day we're in this series, we are going and showing you exactly how to do that. So that for $1 a day or however many accounts you want to have, whether it be $1 up to $5 or even over that per day, how you can get traffic to your link from Clickbank. So let's jump over to Clickbank. And we'll check out our stats. All right, so there's the 2 sales we made. Let's see. Go into our account. So today so far, we have had 64 visits to our link, so clicks to our link, and we've had 6 actual visits to our order form, so people thinking about making a purchase. Now, if we go back and check our full stats from when we started this, which I think today is day 28 on this series, but we'll go back and check our stats. So overall, this is good. Overall, we've had over 2,000 clicks to our link. We have had 20 total clicks to our order form. And we're showing 3 initial sales at $41 total. So we're not where we want to be yet, but we are working our way towards where we want to be. So you have to start somewhere. When you want to start making money online, you have to start somewhere, and you're not going to be an instant millionaire. You can definitely get there, but it's going to take time and persistence, and you have to stay consistent. So a lot of what we're trying to teach here is just staying consistent. Come in here every single day, and this is what you do. Now, this is a simple way to get started, because working like this is just copy and paste. We aren't writing the emails. We aren't putting a bunch of work into this, but we're getting tons of traffic. As you can see, we're getting tons of traffic to our link. It's a free link, so we don't have to pay for anything. And we're making some sales, which is what we wanted to do. It's what we want to show. So it's good. I mean, we're doing what we set out to do. Now, this offer, let's just go back. Let's see. Oh, here we go. This offer that we're using right here, or this second offer on our series, is in e-business and e-marketing, which you'll be able to see on the first video for this promotion. And it's actually this one right here. Okay, so we have seen this and recurring rebill. So this is what we're shooting for. We want to see these rebills. All right. So this offer has been on here for a long time. A lot of people make money with it. You can see here, there's 343. This is, an average, but there are 343 people currently making money with this promotion. So you want to look at these and you see if there's people making money with it, then why can't you, right? You can, and that's the way it works. So it's got a good gravity score. It's been on here for a long time, and there's a reason for that. So we're going to promote this one for another 11 days after this, and then we're going to move on to this next one, as long as they have emails in there. I have not checked this one for emails. We'll do that here in a few days just to prepare. Now, if it doesn't have emails, we'll probably just move on to the next one that does have emails ready to go, because we want to make this as simple as possible. Copy and paste, send these out. That way we just don't have a lot to do. This is just kind of a side business for us to do. And we're just trying to add to our income. We've got other videos on our channel that are our bread and butter promotions that we do. That's where we make our money. And then as far as this goes, it's just something on the side to kind of show you that it can be as simple as just copy and pasting, and you can actually make money. All right, so enough about that. Let's go jump into our email today. So we'll bring up our first account. We've got these emails in a file down below this video. And also the link for MLGS is down below this video. If you want to give this a try. So we get logged in. We're going to go straight into our mailing system. We'll select all. So today here we're 5,700 leads. And I'm going to grab our subject, Control V. And then I'm going to grab our email with the hop link, which we will change. So Control C, and then you're going to come over here. You're going to highlight and Control V. And as always, I'm going to get rid of that bold. And then we need to get our codes in here. So we got our short code for first name right here. There, comma. And we already know we need to get rid of our emoji because we can't have emojis in the system. And our signature. So my name, you'll put your name. And then right here, you want to get your hop link set up. So you'll put your ID for Clickbank in there. And that's what it's going to say right there. That's what you're going to replace. Where it says your affiliate ID, and you're just going to put you're going to put your account name, however you set it up. And it's going to say your account here and vendor equals, and it's going to have, this is a landing page for this offer. So when someone clicks your link up here, this is a piece of code you need in there, and that's going to go straight to your landing page for this offer. All right, so now we need to go place this. So let's grab that and see where we can put it. It says hit this blue line. So we invite you to look at this job, hit this blue line. This job, hit this. And I mean, we can put it right here. Control V, and what's in there. So we'll just darken that a little bit or bold it. This is kind of a short one. So lots of times these short emails do a lot better because a big long email comes out and people don't want to read it all. So these short ones I do like. I wish a lot of these were shorter. We could make them shorter. We could write emails, but like I said, we're trying to keep this as simple as possible. So we're just using the emails out of the system. Those are the emails that the companies themselves send out too. And they're making money or they wouldn't be in business. So we know they work. We've already made a couple sales, so we know they work too. All right. So looks good. I think this is it. We're just gonna put it in there one time because I really don't see another viable spot for it. And that's fine, not a big deal. We'll check. Oh, there is a pre-header. Let's use the pre-header. So pre-header, we'll use here, special invitation for you. And it says, hi, first name, and so on and so forth. You can stop and read this. You can pause it and read this here. Or of course, like I said, these emails are in the Google Doc below. All you got to do is put your information in there. You can copy, paste, put your info in there, and then you're good to go. So let me grab this for our next account, Control C, and then I'm just going to send it. And there we go. Now we're going to right click and duplicate. And then on that duplicated page, I'm going to go up, we're going to log out. And then we're going to log into our next account, which is going to be Clickbank 2. Select all, come all the way down. We've already got our email copied. So we're going to go Control V. Perfect timing. We'll come up and put our subject line. And then we'll go grab our email again. And you could do this however you want. So Control C. You can do it in the order you want. This is the habit I've gotten in. I do it this way. All my accounts, when I send these out for whatever the business is, this is how I do it. It's become a habit, and you don't necessarily have to do it that way. But you'll figure out your own way on a lot of this stuff. It'll just become habit and the way you want to do it. And it's all good. You don't have to do it exactly like somebody else. You'll figure out your own way and you'll do it that way, and that's fine. So the idea is to always take the advice. You don't have to do everything exactly like somebody else tells you to with this business. After all, once you get started, this is your business. People will try and help you and tell you you need this and you need that. Whenever, maybe you don't necessarily need or want whatever they have. Don't feel pressure that you have to take that. Feeling pressure is a bad spot to be in when you're in this business. Now, I get a ton of emails all the time, and people want me to buy this and buy that and look at their big shiny program, big shiny object. And you just have to, if you're already set and you're already doing something, just steer away from some of that stuff. Now I've been involved in some really good products and with some really good people. And I've been lucky. And to me, that is what you're striving for. You want to be involved with good people, and you want to be involved with good products that have good records and things like that. You get off on some of these and they're terrible. They end up being scammy, and who needs that in their life, right? You don't need to lose money, you need to make money. So anyway, all right, last account here. Yeah, there it is. But this does work pretty good. if you're looking for something simple to do, and you can use this on all kinds of different products, whatever you want, you can use this on. I would stick to the, e-business and make money online niche, because that's what they market to. This company, that's what they market to, is that niche. But during this series, we are going to find out if we can market this with some. I think there's some diet pills and some things like that, and some supplements on here that we're just going to run down the list. And when we see those, we're just going to go ahead and market those, because we'll try it out. I do know some people that have a little bit of success marketing those with this program as well. So why not? We're going to try it. I mean, this is kind of an experiment. We wanted to prove that we could do it, that we can make money this way, and we have. So now we're just going to continue and see how much we can make doing it this way. All right, that is it, guys. I appreciate you being here. For those of you following along, I appreciate it. If you got any value out of this video, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate it. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.